CFA Level 1 and CFA Level 2 May 2026 candidates. You guys have your result next week, and I'm obviously not gonna let it go without sharing this very important message with you guys. So stay tuned. Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanishka and I hope you all are doing good. Today's video is especially for my CFA Level 1 and CFA Level 2 May 2026 candidates, the lucky batch like I called, because you guys are getting a free attempt in case you do not pass. But nonetheless, you have your results next week and I'm obviously here to talk about it, just share our thoughts about it because it is very important to do so. So let's get started. But before that, if you're new to this channel, then please take 1 second to hit the subscribe button. If you've ever liked my work even a teeny tiny bit, then please join the community by subscribing to the channel. And while you're at it, do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you're notified every time I post a new video. And for the very kind people who have already subscribed to the channel, thank you so much for joining me in my journey. I hope we stay together till the end of time. So first of all, let me address a few things. I said lucky batch, and I know that a lot of people have been, taunting you about it, maybe mazak mein, like I also said it mazak mein, but I know a lot of people also are seriously saying it, ki, "Arey, tumhe to kya fark padta hai? Even if you fail, it doesn't matter, you'll get a free attempt." I get that you've been hearing that a lot, and honestly, joke-wise okay, but it's not seriously okay, that you failed. Yes, you're getting a free attempt. Yes, the financial burden goes away, but nobody understands that it is not just a financial burden. This exam doesn't come with just that. Yes, that's a big factor, but there are multiple things that go underneath. The personal sacrifices, the social life sacrifice, the job you did not take, or the college event you did not participate in, the movie you missed, the family dinner you missed. There is so much more that goes, so many silent battles that goes, that nobody knows, and sometimes you can't even tell it to people because koi samajhne bhi nahi wala. So yes, you have a free attempt, but I still understand the weightage or the importance of this result for you, because it goes beyond that money or the financial burden that's being taken away. Having said that, I know a lot of you all are excited. Some of you all are a little nervous. I personally know for this particular attempt, many people who are not giving a first attempt, matlab either CFA Level 1 or CFA Level 2, they're actually giving a re-attempt, and that even gets harder. So first of all, whether you're giving your first attempt, whether you're giving a second attempt, third attempt, fourth attempt, whatever number of attempt, kudos to you. Because like I always say, and I'm going to say it again, it takes absolute guts to be where you are, to do what you've done. Not because the syllabus is very hard. You've studied it, I've studied it. It's really not that rocket science. But because, like I said, this exam does involve a lot of sacrifices, some of which we can't even explain to somebody. Because in our head, like, यार आई मिस दैट मूवी, मेरे लिए तो बड़ी बात है बट उसके लिए बड़ी बात नहीं है, बट मेरे लिए तो बड़ी बात है ना. अ सैक्रिफाइस इज अ सैक्रिफाइस, एंड बिलीव मी, नॉट एवरीबडी कैन डू इट. सो जेन्युइनली kudos to you. I'm not here to just make you feel, oh my god, everything's gonna be okay, ye sab nahi, because this result is a big deal, and at the same time, it's not that big a deal. I'll explain to you why. It's a big deal only because of the efforts you've put in, the dedication, the time, the sacrifices that you've put in, the financial, what do you call that, the financial investment you've put in. Even if you get another chance, the fact that वो investment निकालने के लिए भी कुछ लोगों को बहुत effort लगता है. So for that, seeing your parents struggle to give that money, I understand it's not easy. So for that aspect, yes, the result becomes a big deal because there's so much gone behind it. Yet at the same time, it's just a one fleeting moment. That's why it's not a big deal. In case you pass, great. It's gonna be a beautiful moment. You're gonna love it. कुछ लोगों को एक दिन लगता है for it to sink in. So you're gonna love it for say 2 days, 3 days. You'll be like, oh wow, I cleared CFA Level 1. Oh wow, I cleared CFA Level 2. But that's that. It's not gonna change your life overnight. It's not that because of that suddenly you'll become a millionaire or you'll get the best job out there. नहीं, ऐसे नहीं होता. At the same time, God forbid you fail, you're gonna feel bad, especially if it's not your first attempt. I've done so much, I did this, I did that. It's gonna hurt, it's gonna pinch, it's gonna sting for a very long time. But at the same time, just that. Life will still move on. Give it a few days, give it a few weeks, you'll be back to your routine. You'll still do the same things. You'll still wake up, you'll still sleep, you'll still brush your teeth, go to college, go to work, whatever your routine is, you will still do that. Your life won't stop because that result did not go the way you wanted it to be. And it's important that you are told about this now. That yes, that result is important, but it is end of the day just one moment. It's not a deciding factor for your life. It's just a deciding factor of the efforts you've put in the last few months for one particular stepping stone in your life. अगर अभी वो stone नहीं भी चढ़े, you'll find another stone. There are many. You'll find another step. There are many. Right? So don't worry about that too much right now. All I want to truly tell you guys is, at this point of time, let the nervousness come in, let the anxiety come in, because it's important to feel this. अगर ये feel नहीं करोगे ना, you'll never enjoy or you'll never understand that result, that moment as you should. So if you are feeling nervous, anxious, scared, excited also for that matter, it's all valid. Let it. The exam is meant for that, for people to feel that. That's why you're above everybody else, because you can feel all this and yet you're functioning in life because you have no choice. That's how it is. You're waiting for something जिसका तुम्हें कोई आइडिया नहीं है कि क्या होगा. Right? It's tough and you guys are doing it. So damn, all kudos to you guys. Yeah, clapping. It's not easy. It really is not easy. A few things that I need to tell you, very, very important. Number one, if you haven't yet, please complete your practical skills module, especially if it's your first attempt for either level 1 or level 2, because without that, you will not get your result. Okay, that's a very important thing. Number two, on your result day, remember, in fact, even before, no matter what the result is, good, bad, ugly, you are not taking any decision for at least 24 to 48 hours till your mind is fully balanced. No overexcitement, no underexcitement, no hurt, no happiness, no joy, just a blank slate. You will not decide your next steps. You will not decide whether you want to give the next level when. You will not decide whether you want to take a break and switch your career. You will not decide whether you want to not give CFA, whatever the decision is, any big decision related to your career, related to your life also, I would say, but specifically related to your career, even more specifically related to CFA, will not be taken for at least 24 to 48 hours, because usually when our emotions are too up or too down, we tend to take a very rash, non-practical decision, and that's not good. So please avoid that, because I've seen many people do that. मैंने खुद level 2 के बाद ये mistake किया था, and I just don't recommend it, right? So keep that in mind, and yeah, just remember everything that you have put on in the last few months, and more than anything, have a little bit faith in yourself, if not the higher source, whatever you believe in, God, universe, anything. Just have a little bit faith कि जो भी होगा, good, bad, ugly, whether you pass, whether you fail, whether you passed in your first attempt, second attempt, third attempt, whatever, or you failed a second, third attempt, it is gonna work out in your favor. I know you may not feel it right now. You'll be like, she's just making this motivational video. I truly am not. I have been through these journeys. I've been through this journey, being through this journey rather, and that's why I can say this. It will 100% work out. Like, there is no other way in life, right? You have to make things work out. So whatever you're feeling right now, keep reminding yourself that, you know what, चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए, things, it will be for my best. It will be for my best, and there is no other option to that. And like I said, have some faith in yourself. If you worked hard, it will go the way it should go. If God forbid it doesn't, then even then you need to have faith in yourself that, I know my capabilities. I'm not going to let one exam define that for me. If you did not work hard and it did not go your way, then you already know कि क्या गड़बड़ हुई है, and you can work on it better. But like I said, just give it time. And for now, at least for this 1 week, few days, whatever, जितने भी बाकी हैं result के लिए, just keep telling yourself, keep reminding yourself of how gutsy you are, how brave you are as compared to everybody else, because you already are ahead of so many people in this world who do not have the guts, who do not have the courage rather, to try out something difficult, something that they don't know will work out or not work out, something that will demand so much from them. So the fact that you've done it, you are already ahead, right? ये सोच के चलो, and बस अब जितना हो सके calm रहो. You cannot reverse what has happened, and you cannot change what will happen either. So what has happened, let it go, and just live this moment. One extra bonus tip: if you can, see the result with your family. Even if you pass, even if you fail, I think it always, or with anybody who you're close to, I mean it that way. Because I just feel like we don't realize, but this exam, like, उन्होंने भी equal efforts डाले हुए. They have invested enough, and not just financially. They've always been our moral supports, our silent pillars. So if you can see the result with them, it will be a moment that you'll cherish, especially if you pass. With that, I'm coming to the end of this video. Once again, all the very best to each and every one of y'all. I truly hope, I truly manifest that all of y'all pass or you get what you want. But like I said, God forbid nahi bhi hota hai, just remember it will work out for you. Not now, but it will. You can't see it, but it's very intelligent. Bhagwan ji has already thought of like few years आगे का जो तुम्हें नहीं देखा है but उन्होंने देख लिया. So have some faith. All the best once again to each and every one of you all. I truly am hoping to see only smiles and only smiles on those particular days. But till then, I have to end this video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I'll see you hopefully in your next level. If not, wherever you are in life, I'll always be with you. I'll see you guys very, very soon. Until then, keep sparkling and definitely keep learning.